Good evening to everybody, to the respected teachers. Today, I want to tell a few words about National Technology Day. First of all, National Technology Day is celebrated every year on May 11 to highlight the achievements of engineers and scientists in the field of technology and science. The day acts as a reminder of the country's technological advancements. It was first observed on May 11, 1999, and aims to commemorate the scientific and technological achievements of Indian scientists and engineers. National Technology Day holds great importance because of this particular day in 1998, India achieved multiple notable technological progressions. Every year since 1999, the Technology Development Board commemorates the day by honoring technological innovations that have added to the national growth. And first of all, what is about the science is a systematic enterprise that builds and organizes knowledge in the form of explanations and predications about nature and the universe. And now, technology is a collection of techniques and processes used in the production of goods or services or the accomplishment of objectives such as scientific investigations. We all know that science is very playing a crucial role in our daily lives. Today, we do almost all our work with the help of the science and technology. In modern times, the clean growth of a country can't be imagined without science and technology. We all know the value of science and technology in our daily lives. On the other hand, the economic growth of the country also depends on the growth of a science and technology. It also impacts very uh, good range in education and our works also. According to the recent data, our country, India has the third largest scientific workforce in the world. India is progressively developing in the field of science and technology. Indian Space Research Organization has its own launch satellite among all the countries in the world. Now, finally, I'm telling about the history, a few words of history about the National Technology Day. Former Indian PM late Atal Bihari Vajpayee coined this term to celebrate the contributions made by Indian scientists. May 11 is also the day when India conducted its first successful test in Pokhran. On May 11, 1998, India successfully fired the Shakti 1 nuclear missile at an army test range in Rajasthan's Pokhran. 2 days later, the country conducted two more nuclear tests as a part of the same operation. So we are celebrating that day as a National Technology Day. And finally, I'm very thankful to given this opportunity. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.